so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what I have in my hand. Whoa, do you know what this is? This is a skateboard, and I think you and I should learn about skateboarding. Come on. Whoa, look at this store. This is the Brooklyn Projects in Los Angeles, California. Whoa, this place is so cool. Whoa, check this out over here. Whoa, cool apparel. Whoa, look at these designs up here. Ooh, look at this. It's so fuzzy like a monster. And it's the letter W. Pretty cool. Whoa, come check it out. Skateboard decks up there, even BMX bikes. Whoa, this store owner must really love skateboarding and BMX bikes. Whoa, what's over here? Hey! Whoa, what are you doing? Whoa, are you feeding the fish? The shop has a bunch of fish. Here you go. All right, throw it in there. Whee! All right, bye-bye, fish. All right, see you soon. All right, hey, I think it's time to see if one of the workers will help me learn how to skateboard. Come on. Whoa, pretty cool. Here's one, come on. Hey, good sir, curious.
How's it going?
Do you know who that is? That's Shaun White. He's won 3 gold medals in the Olympics for snowboarding. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. And he's a professional skateboarder. Let's ask him for help.
How can I help you?
Just curious if you could help me learn to skateboard today.
Oh yeah, you want to learn how to skateboard? You know, I've been skateboarding my whole life. Love doing big airs and things. I'm just setting this board up, and we'll take you out back. Show you how to do it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, awesome.
Whoa, check it out.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is a big ramp. Is this where you skateboard at?
This is.
Oh, pretty cool. All right, well, will you show us?
Well, hold on. You know, you're gonna need some protective gear first.
All right,
Yeah.
what's that?
Check out my buddy Wilder here.
Whoa.
He's got a helmet.
Wow.
Yep. Then he's got his elbow pads.
Right here?
Yep. And then you got your knee pads down here.
Ooh, and this
Yep.
is to help protect you for if you
Yep.
fall?
Just in case of a fall.
Whoa, that's
be all
pretty
safe.
cool. And what are you gonna wear to be safe?
Brought my lucky helmet.
Okay, well, put it on and let's
All
see you
right.
ride.
Here we go, guys.
All right, here, you wanna come this way? Let's go.
Here we go.
That was so cool!
Well, you know, I've been working really hard at this for a long time, so if you practice, you make perfect.
Oh, well that's good to know. Can I try now?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay, first thing, put the board down.
Okay.
I'm gonna put your helmet on.
All right.
There you go. Okay, now put whatever front foot feels good.
Okay.
right toward the front of the board.
All right.
And then you pull the back foot on.
Oh.
And then you keep your knees bent.
Whoa.
That's the key.
Whoa.
There you go.
Wow. Whee. Whoa. This is harder than it looks. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh.
All right. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
But I think I know what you're missing.
What is it?
Yeah. Here we go.
Whoa.
Got that for you.
An official Shaun White white space t-shirt? Yeah! That's totally what I'm missing. Okay, let's put this on.
Right on. Here we go. I'll help you there.
Oh! That's silly. Okay.
All right. Looking
How do we
good.
look?
Looking
Yeah.
pretty good.
Oh, and you know what else?
Yeah.
The souls of the animal kingdom. Eagle, fox, bottlenose dolphin, octopus, house cat. Ah! I'm ready.
All right.
How did I do?
Blippi, that was amazing, especially for your first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for teaching me. With a good teacher, you can do a lot of cool things.
No problem at all. Well, hey, I had an amazing time skating with you. I gotta head to another skate park, but we should do this again sometime. Maybe I'll take you to the mountains and go snowboarding.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
try
I
that
really
out.
appreciate it. All
See
right.
you, bud.
See ya. Did you hear that? Maybe I'll get to go snowboarding with Shaun White. Woo! Hey! Whoa, check it out. Let's learn how to build a skateboard. See this? Whoa! This is a skateboard deck. Whoa, and this one has a really cool design. Check it out. Whoa! That's silly. And see this on top? This is grip tape. Whoa, it's kind of like sand and you can't move at all. So then your feet don't slip and slide. Okay, and this is what's called a truck. Ooh, and you know what these are, right? Yeah, wheels. And how these work, you put the wheel on the truck, put the other wheel on the truck, and then you screw in the nut and make it nice and tight. And then you do the other one. Whoa! All right. There we go. Whee! See it spin? Perfect. All right, so you have 2 trucks, all right? And then put them on the bottom. After you put these bolts through, let's put 4 of them in there. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, 4. Perfect. Okay, let's put the truck right here. This is a little tricky. Okay, all right. There we go. Alrighty, and then you put some of these right on there and you spin it around and you make it nice and tight. Okay, watch this. Okay, 1 of 2 is done. Perfect. And then this other one. And there we go. Check it out. It's a completed skateboard. Whoa! Pretty cool, huh? Whoa, that was so much fun learning about skateboarding with you. Did you have fun? I did too. I just want to give a special thanks to the companies and people that made this video possible. But hey, if you think skateboarding sounds fun, you should try it. But always remember to wear your helmet and all of your safety equipment. But hey, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. All right, let me put on my helmet. Okay, there we go. Let's go, see you later.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey grown-ups, if your child loves my videos, you can head to blippi.com for some super duper duper cool things.